Hello in Urdu is Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning is Subah bakhair. Subah bakhair. How are you is आप कैसे हैं? So when you are speaking to a male, you will say आप कैसे हैं? And when you are speaking to a female, you will say आप कैसी हैं? I am fine in Urdu is मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. And this is another very native way of saying I'm fine is you will say मैं ठीक हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. मैं ठीक हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. Thank you in Urdu is shukriya. Shukriya. And thank you so much would be बहुत शुक्रिया. बहुत शुक्रिया. Nice to meet you in Urdu is आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Goodbye is Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz or Khuda Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz. Practice these and I will see you in my next lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.